nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something very easy, unusually but super tasty. We need just two ingredients. We're going to make the Parmesan ball, deep fried ball, absolutely mwah. We need just Parmesan, of course, and the egg, the white one, the part of the white. Okay, this is 150 grams of Parmesan. Depend how many balls you want to do, you have to do more Parmesan. But anyway, I'll show you the way. You take the Parmesan and you're gonna grate all that Parmesan. I grate in this side here, the small one, and take your time, grate all the Parmesan. When the all Parmesan is ready, I'm gonna show you the next step. Guys, it's absolutely easy and very nice and tasty. You can make nice antipasti, stuff like that. See you when the Parmesan is ready. Okay guys, the Parmesan is ready. Now everything in one bowl. One thing I forgot to say, if the white egg is not enough, we can add another half or another one. But we're gonna see this in the way. And plus, I don't use any salt, any pepper, nothing. Just Parmesan and the egg white inside. Take a fork and start mix everything, and we see, because it's gonna be soft but not too soft. Okay, in this case I think I'm gonna add some more, definitely. And I want to show you at the moment I put all that. Okay, it's almost 2 eggs, it's not all. Yeah. Okay, mix everything. I show you later when is the consistency I need. Always, if I need a little bit more the white from there, I gonna add. And always guys, don't forget, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, I think here I gonna add the other, gonna be too white the egg. Okay, I show you when this the mix is ready. Okay guys, this one is the consistency we're gonna need, because now, you know, to show you how to see when it's ready, take some, make just a ball, make like a ball like this. If stick all together like this, is perfect. Okay, and mine, to be honest, is very good. Okay, I'm going to make my ball, leave like that, because when we're gonna deep fry, they little bit blow a little bit. And get ready some vegetable oil to deep fry. And now we do this ball like this, and we put in the fridge around 10 minutes, not more. And later we're gonna deep fry it. Okay, so we do the ball, 10 minutes in the fridge, and see you when we're gonna fry. Okay? Okay guys, my 150 grams of Parmesan, look how cool and cute they are, beautiful. Now my oil is ready, it's 180 the degree Celsius. Now we put inside, put 3, well, I use one little pot like this, and vegetable oil, and they're gonna cook around 4 or 5 minutes. You see, it's very gentle. I show you. I put couple inside, and just to show the video, and later, you know, they're gonna grow a little bit. But anyway, I leave there. When they're ready, I'm gonna show you. But one thing you have to do, keep roll it, you know, from all the side, you know, like this. Already how they are. Okay, fantastic. Okay, see you when they're ready in 5 minutes. Okay, guys, this is 5 minutes. Look, how beautiful they are. It's absolutely unbelievable. It's just Parmesan and egg. Look at it. Fantastic. The smell, guys, you don't believe. Now I'm going to fry this one and we're gonna see you later for the taste. I cannot wait. I'm already drooling. Okay, guys, my masterpiece is ready. From 150 grams of Parmesan and 2 white eggs. Look what we did. It's absolutely amazing. I can say this is Italian style, guys. From nothing we create food. Now I can tell you, I'm gonna try and I'm gonna show you. Look. Okay, inside is like this. Look, it's fantastic. And you don't believe. It is absolutely. This is for my gajinka. There.
Thank you.
Guys, anyway, the Piero's Parmesan ball is this. Fantastic, easy. Everybody can do that. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.